you for being here today. I'm Esther, and I would like to share the new idea of an app. It's called Super Exhibitopia. So, for today's content, I will have a quick introduction and what is our goal and our plan, and how our company will to implement everything and share our budget allocation. And so, have you ever wondered when you struggling on the streets or you visiting to the new places, whether it's in your country or whether it is abroad, you want to visit some art exhibition or some interesting activities, but you have no idea where to go because lots of information is so scattered right now, make it really, really difficult for visitor to stay updated. And so I'm thinking, what if an app could locate your position and show nearby exhibition where no matter where you are, no matter you are in Taiwan, you are in Japan, or you are in the USA, or lots of places, if you have no plans, but you still would like to access to the art world or any fun activity, you can just use that to get an instant recommendation. So why I want to come up with this app is because the pain points I ran into quite a lot. I would love to see an exhibition, but I don't know where to start. Every time I will go for the museum or the National Gallery, but actually there are so many places and art space for us to explore. And also for normal people, not normal people, for lots of people who might curious whether the exhibition is worth the ticket price or not, because they hesitate. They don't know what kind of exhibition they like to visit or what kinds of activity they might attract them. So if we can come up with an app that we collect lots of different exhibition info and give people to have a place to communicate and explore more. So our goal is to help users to find nearby art exhibition. Like I would like to using the GPS function. The apps can help user to find nearby exhibition, and they can also check the ticket information. And it also could provide the opportunity for the small gallery or those gallery that are not so famous than other, and also it's a good way to make them to get more exposure and have more visitor to come to their gallery. And for this platform, I think it is not just for art enthusiasts, but also will like to make general public to have a chance to discover more hidden, fascinating spaces. And by this way, not only you can explore more art place, you can also we also encourage the user can share what you see on this app. We can feature a community walls like Facebook or Instagram. The user can share their experiences. So unlike the polished reviews you can see on the art news, they always will tell you what is the idea of this art, but probably those kinds of things is too difficult to understand, too complicated, or make you feel like you will never involve in this world. But I think by this way, people can share their likes and dislikes. They can have a fair discussion on this platform, and making art can be more approachable for everyone. So on our plan, the first thing I will, because lots of people were using their phone to find new stuff, and everyone owns a phone. So I compared by building up a website. I think develop an app would be a good first move. So like I just mentioned, I think the GPS feature is the most important because you don't need to plan plan ahead. You can you can choose where you want to intend this activity whenever you are in the mood. So the GPS will locate where you are and suggest the funny things around you. And if you find it is too difficult to collect the ticket price, you don't know what kinds of exhibitions are free, you don't know how much you need to pay, and you don't know whether you have the discounts or other details, and we will also put those information into this app. And also you can see others' feedback, discuss, and recommendation, and to make your to help you can make up your mind. And also we will like to enhance the algorithm, like it can market like an ads that will suggest exhibition you might like based on your interest in. So for the content sources, we would like to collaborate with galleries and museums to obtain the official exhibition information. And we would like to also have the technical that can automatically update the exhibition data online once we detect any latest information. And also the user can contribute the content such as their feedbacks and their photo to help others can know more details about this exhibition. And also I think it is a good way for different places we can have a collaboration with lots of places for the partnership, because there are so many small galleries, they lack of exposure. So it is a good way we can help the young artists or small gallery to get more to get more people to visit there. And also we can offer them some exclusive deals or have a forum in the place to encourage people to find out more. So for the implement, I think the app development is the most important and the most urgent things. So for the starter, I will collaborate with some UI or UX developer to ensure we have a good interface that everyone can use the app easily. And we will choose the appropriate development frameworks and tool to build a cross-platform application. And also we would like to promote this app. So at the early stage, I think it would be good way to collaborate with some places to offer some early bird tickets, give them some discounts to attract the user to use. And we also will need some advertising to at least find our first group of users. And after that, it is really important to monitoring our apps and optimization the functions and to in order to improve our user experiences. And also we need to keep fixing bugs. And so for the budget allocation, for the first 6 months, I would like to have a test run. So I separate into 3 main categories. The first and the most important is the operational cost, including the salaries for all the developers. And also we need to purchase the tools and service and cloud service, etc. And for the marketing, I would like to collaborate with lots of people or influencer, and also allocate some expenses to advertising. And probably we can also hosting some events to promote this events and these new ideas. And also the content management, I think it is really important. We can encourage the user to tool videos for users or encourage the collaborator to make a video or others materials, so we can that the users have a quick look before visiting. And also forum section to share insight and ask what a current user's pain point is also important. We can collect their feedback and doubts. And I'm also thinking that we can create a calendar to show the upcoming exhibition and events. So for conclusion, I think Exhibitopia has the potential to transform the art discovery process. And we believe that in this way, we can make art more accessible to everyone, whether they are working in the field or just casual explorer. And I believe by offering accessible art experience to users worldwide can provide exposure to less known galleries. And we, as we grow, we are committed to create a positive social impact and promoting the art educations and supporting the sustainability of small art spaces, and also make people have more chance and choices to find what they would like to see. Thank you for your time.
Okay, cool. It's very close, 11:46. Okay. Okay, 11:46. So, but for the this is very hard because you have to read to 30 minutes. It's not easy. Okay, 11:46. Now please take 3 minutes to evaluate Esther's presentation, and when you are ready, then